Vahana Cloud is a full-stack no-code platform, enabling users to build enterprise-grade complex applications seamlessly over a single platform, ensuring security and scalability. The platform covers the complete application development lifecycle. To start with the platform, you start with configuring the infrastructure on the Vahana Runtime Manager. The infrastructure setup is fully automated. You can define what kind of infra setup is needed. We have some standard configurations available, and you can customize them as per your need. At the end, this widget shows the expected monthly cost on AWS, and if you are happy with it, the entire infra will be set up automatically in 90 to 120 minutes with a single click. Once you have created the infra, you can then start creating an application. Now, let's see the vDesigner in action. This is the vDesigner screen. You can set up a theme for the application to ensure your brand color guidelines are followed throughout. You can drag and drop elements onto the canvas. You can customize the properties of each element through the Properties panel. You can link data models with an application and consume them within an application. And then, you can also set the required security functionalities. At last, you can configure events to an element, further which you can configure tasks and set business rules wherever applicable. Once you have designed the app, you can use the preview tool to visualize the application while designing, therefore reducing the number of redos. For any complex app, the magic is not just on the front end. It needs to connect with an equally powerful and robust middleware. vConnect is an ESB and API gateway. You can integrate APIs, convert your legacy APIs into modern APIs, expose your database's stored procedures as APIs. vConnect also allows you to do service orchestration. Vahana Hub is an API marketplace offering 800 pre-integrated APIs from more than 40 API service providers. To use any of these APIs, you can simply subscribe the required API and it is ready to use in less than 15 minutes. All of this is done in a completely secure manner. And this is how we ensure security. You can create and download the builds for Android, iOS, and web through the Downloads module. Simply specify a set of default settings once, then download as many builds of your application as you want. Using Release Manager, you can sync changes across branches and manage version control. And later, you can monitor the APIs and infrastructure performance through vMonitor. You can derive user insights through user and device analytics. And once all the pipes are connected, we have a working app. With this same configuration, Vahana generates the iOS, Android, and the web application. You don't need to code for them separately.